My name is Nemanja and today we are talking about factory design pattern in Java. Design patterns give a typical solution for commonly occurring problems. When we compare them to the algorithms define strict steps to achieve the solution. But patterns give a more high-level overview of the solution. There are three types of design patterns: structural design patterns, behavioral design patterns, and creational design patterns. Factory design pattern is a type of creational design pattern. It provides an interface to create objects in a superclass, but leaves the possibility for subclasses to alter the type of object that has been created. Let's deep dive into a code and see how we can achieve this. This is high-level class diagram of factory design patterns. So basically we have one main creator that has abstract method create product. And then we have several concrete creator, in this example, two concrete creator A and concrete creator B. Both of them implement create product method and they return product, but in concrete creator A we return concrete product A, object of type object of this class, and in concrete creator B we create object of class concrete product B. As you can see, these concrete product A and concrete product B are both subclasses of the class, or better to say, they implement interface product. So let's see how does that look like in code. So first of all, without factory pattern, we would have something like this. Let's say we have one interface product that has method display, and then we have two concrete product A and concrete product B. Both of them implement product interface and also override display method. They just print some dummy string to the standard output. And if we go to the main method, so instead of having some kind of factory that will create these products, we have concrete creation of object directly in our main class. So what happens when the constructor of product A changes, then we need also to change it here. But what happens if concrete product is instantiated several times, then we need also to change it constructor on several places as well. So it would be a much better approach to create or to apply factory pattern. Factory pattern says that we define one abstract class factory, which will have one factory method product. It can have some additional methods, but this is the most important one that will create object of product, and then we extend class factory in concrete factory A and concrete factory B. Both of these classes override the factory method. The first one creates object of type concrete product A, and the second one creates object of type concrete product B. So when we need to obtain the object of type concrete product B, we just call the concrete factory B, and then we call the factory method, and factory method will resolve the creation of objects of type concrete product B. So when there are occurrence of numerous places in code when we need concrete product B, and if some changes in the constructor of concrete product B, or there is some other way of creating concrete product B, we just change it here. We add parameters in here. And also the same is for concrete factory A. So when we run this application, you will see that this factory method was called, and since it has been extended to concrete factory, it will create product A, and when we call the display method, it will print the string from the concrete product A, and also for the concrete product B and the factory B. So what are advantages of factory pattern? So advantages is that we fulfill the single responsibility principle. So factory classes are only responsible for creating objects of certain class, We also respect the open-close principle, so that means that classes are open for extensions but closed for modifications. So whenever we need some additional products, we create new concrete factory and then instantiate that concrete product C or D or whatsoever. The disadvantages is that we increase a little bit amount of code, and also we need to create factory, and for each new product we need to create concrete factory, and it gives a little bit of overhead to the existing code. Factory pattern helps us decouple code from concrete implementation and makes our application more flexible and maintainable. But it comes at the cost of increased complexity and added more classes. So the advice is to use factory design pattern only when the creation of objects are more complex and they are likely to change. So what are your thoughts about factory design patterns? Do you use them? Do you find them useful? Leave your comments in the section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.